My name's Grant Schwartz. I'm the owner at Schwartz Welding and Custom Fabrication. Here at the shop, the simple answer is I build hot rods. To take that a step further, I work from the steering wheel down. I do all the chassis, the suspension, the steering, the brakes, the frame. Most of my customers are knowledgeable in automobiles and hot rods, but sometimes they need a little help to get their project started, and I kind of help them with the foundation. We get it started, out of the ground, and on its way. Most times when the customer comes to the shop, they're already excited. We're going to work on their baby, their project. They've had it in their mind probably for a number of years, so they're usually in a good mood when they get here, and I'm just as happy to have them here as they are to be here. After years of running a fab shop, I was able to migrate to just doing hot rods, and so to put the two together, two things that I love, it's pretty awesome, to put it simply. When somebody leaves my shop after their project is completed, I like to think I've usually made a new friend. Quite often, we keep in touch for years on end. I get to see how their project is progressing after it left my shop. I want them to feel like they're taken care of. I want to build your car, your way. You know, that's kind of my motto. I'm not building it for me, I'm building it for you. So I want to take your input. I want to make sure you're making the right decisions. I want to help you with those right decisions. I want it to be comfortable and friendly. If you've got a project in the garage or in the backyard or something that's in your mind for many years, get in touch with me on social media or email me at grant@schwartzwelding.com and we can help you out.